I'm joined by Matt Lipscomb, CEO of DMC Biotechnologies, and congratulations are in order because you had some big news today, Matt.
Thanks, Catherine. Yeah, so we just announced the first close of our Series B fundraise. So to date, we've closed on 34 million US on the round. The round was led by Kibis Enterprise Fund, and all of our existing investors participated in this round. And then also joining in this round were some additional strategic investors, including Solvay and Michelin as well.
That's amazing. And for people who might not be familiar with DMC, can you just tell us a bit about what you do?
Sure. So we make bio-based products primarily through fermentation. So we have a platform technology that addresses some of the key barriers that have really plagued this sector for many, many years, decades, in fact. So our technology addresses those, and those are things like standardizing not only how we develop strains, but how we run fermentation, but also creating processes that are robust. And then also, so by robust, I mean, they can withstand the usual set of conditions that you would find in an industrial setting. And they're also predictable. So we've been the first in the field to demonstrate predictability from sort of the smallest high throughput scales all the way up to now commercial scale as well.
And what will this fundraising help you to do? What's next for DMC?
So we're poised to take the company to its next level. And so by that, I mean we're moving into commercialization of our first wave of products. So you've already seen our press releases previously around our first product, alanine. So this will advance that one along the commercial path. So beginning customer ramps, customer adoption ramps over the next couple of years. But then also bringing the next of our products into commercialization as well. So we've talked about some of those as well. So additional amino acids and branched chain amino acids for human and animal nutrition, xylitol for the low calorie sweetener space, and then this will also enable us to advance the development of a number of our pipeline product opportunities as well. And then, of course, to do all this, we need some more help, right? So we will certainly be hiring and growing the team across all functions, right? So certainly on the technology side, so looking for additional folks and expertise across things like strain engineering, fermentation, chemistry, et cetera, et cetera. But also importantly, growing out the senior levels of the team as well. So some additional support on the commercial team and some senior leadership roles as well. In fact, some of those we will have additional announcements on very soon. So stay tuned for those.
There's a lot happening. That sounds great. Can you put it into a context, a sort of a bigger picture as we move into 2022?
Sure. So we sort of think of the opportunity as more than just the circular economy. I mean, the sustainability and the importance of that is absolutely critical. Consumers are demanding that. And you're starting to see movement across the supply chain, particularly from some of the CPG and some of the chemical players who are responding to those customer demands. I think the other opportunity that we're trying to support in this is really more of a move towards a regional manufacturing base. So a move away from what was done the last 20 years in terms of globalization and sourcing things from single geographies, particularly in Asian regions. So I think customers are also demanding more locally sourced materials and sort of a reliance on local and regional manufacturing. And it just so happens that fermentation-based technologies fit exceptionally well within existing agricultural supply chains. And so I think we can be a part of that leading edge of providing those new opportunities to rethink how we do manufacturing in a post-pandemic world. So.
Yeah, it's part of building back stronger and better.
Yes, absolutely.
Well, congratulations on your announcement. Thanks for talking to us. Thanks, Matt.
Thank you, Catherine.